There has been a book that has been sitting on the shelf. This book wants people to read it and learn the lessons. The book will help make sense of the words in it and the world. The book will show that it is authentic and that there is nothing but facts in it. The book will encourage people to read it and learn the lessons. There is so much to question in this book. The book revealed many mysterious about the world. Even those with a scientific mind will be challenged. Scholars have read this book and make their own conclusions. They have found out more information about the universe and themselves. Everyone will finally be able to see the truth. There may be some similarities of mankind, but many people have trouble understanding them. Even those that already have knowledge will find a new kind of truth. The book will allow the reader to make up their own mind. They have believed the words that are written or disbelieve them. The book is wrote for everyone the same. We all have the freedom to decide our own faith. Death is not something to fear. Death will bring eternal happiness. Death may also be eternal punishment based on the behavior on earth. Punishment will be in hell. There are many great passages found in this book. The author has many examples to help you understand what has been written. The content is very serious and not to be meant as a joke. The author has stated that there are two real phenomena. The book was written 1,400 years ago. The ways of the world were unknown to man. One of the excerpts from this book states, "By the sky that has bounced on the earth and the crack within the earth is written." The book is serious and not filled with jokes. It will explain the two phenomena. Space has become stretched out and it is able to bounce. When the earth becomes stretched in this same manner, it will crack. We are not able to see the bouncing that happens in the sky. In 1916, Einstein introduced the theory of relativity. It stated spatial bodies are able to move within the fabric of space. This can be compared to the way that a child bounces on a trampoline. We had this information all along but did not think of it. We have known that rocks are strong and they are not able to be stretched apart. Back in 1789, the Silfra fissure was opened in Iceland. In 1927, the first crack in the earth was discovered in Arizona. This showed that the earth is fragile. The earth can also be changed. In 1962, the notes from the fissures were revealed. Geraldine Robinson and Dennis Peterson shared this information. They published information about the crack that was discovered in the earth. The first record of this crack in Arizona dates back to 1916. Science was able to show that the sky has bounced to it. This is the main part of the theory of relativity. In 1927, scientists were able to learn the earth has cracks, and this information was found in this ancient book. There is a number of evidence to support this. Scientific facts, as well as natural wonders, have been discovered. Scientists have been making these discoveries for centuries. Many wonder how a book, written so long ago before any modern technology was even a thought, was so accurate about this scientific information. There is one explanation for this. The author of this book must have created the universe. The author of the book was none other than God. If you do not know the book, it is the Holy Quran. This book will change the lives of its readers. It can also change the world. The Quran was told to Prophet Muhammad over a 23-year period. It was a miracle in the 6th century and it is still a miracle today. Muhammad is still spreading this message to people. He did not have any part in writing the book. Prophet Muhammad never learned to read or to write. The Quran contains a vast amount of wisdom. The knowledge never gets old. The concepts from the 6th century can still be applied today. The Quran was able to stand up to the test of time. It is still accurate even with technological advancements. The Quran contains numerous chapters. Disbelievers of this book thought that the Prophet spread lies. Some thought that Muhammad himself wrote this book. They did not think that God was the author. The Quran was able to stand up to these false claims. Some say that Muhammad forged the book. They do not believe in the lessons of the Quran. They do not think it is truthful. Some may have doubts at times. When you need help, look to Allah. The Quran has changed the hearts of non-believers. It has also changed the mind of scientists and intellectuals. The message in this book has been the same for over 1,400 years. The claims made in this book have not been challenged. The word of God has remained true. Join us as we read through the pages of the Holy Quran and the knowledge that it contains. Quran, www.knowmuhammad.org